Welcome to IndianExpress.com. In a big development, the CBI arrested former Air Chief SP Tyagi in connection with the 3,600 crore Augusta Westland chopper case. In fact, the CBI also arrested SP Tyagi's cousin Sanjeev Tyagi as well as businessman Gautam Khaitan. To discuss this development further, I'm joined by my colleague Deeptiman Tiwari. Deeptiman, first of all, we've seen a very big arrest made by the CBI in this case. What does SP Tyagi's arrest now mean to this entire case?
See, what we know from tradition in CBI, that CBI makes arrest only when it has, at least CBI claims to make arrests only when it has some sort of evidence against the person.
Okay.
Otherwise, SP Tyagi has been questioned earlier as well, on multiple occasions, as late as early as in April this year.
Okay.
So, one does not know, CBI has not revealed what kind of evidence or any kind of fresh evidence that it has found in the case, but it is claiming that it has some solid evidence against SP Tyagi and the other people who have been arrested, and that is why, and because they were not cooperating during questioning when they were confronted with evidence or whatever proof the CBI had gathered, so they had to be arrested for custodial interrogation.
Okay.
That is what we know of as of now. What kind of evidence CBI actually has and whether it will lead to conviction in the long run, we cannot say as of now.
Right. For the benefit of our viewers, Deeptiman, can you just briefly explain to us the entire scam that is surrounding the Augusta Westland chopper deal?
See, this entire Augusta Westland chopper deal was basically a deal which was struck, which has been going on for negotiations for which have been going on since late 90s, because to ferry VVIPs to border areas or to places which are at a great height, you needed specialized choppers. The choppers which were already in operation till that time were very old and were not equipped to take VVIPs to such areas securely.
Okay.
So the idea was to buy these choppers through some company which could meet those specifications, technical specifications. One of the most important technical specification was that they should fly at 6,000 meters.
Okay.
That was the service ceiling. Now this is where the scam happened, because in 2006, the service ceiling, when SP Tyagi was the IAF chief, the service ceiling was reduced from 6,000 to 4,500. And Augusta Westland, by that account, qualified for the tender, because Augusta Westland choppers could not fly at 6,000
Right.
meters. So it was alleged that the entire tender was tweaked to favor Augusta Westland so that it could back the contract. Then later on, people were arrested in Italy, and there were allegations that bribes have changed hands. And then investigations began in India as well. And it was found that it was alleged that SP Tyagi and his cousins, one of who has been arrested today,
Sanjeev Tyagi.
yes, they received bribes to swing the deal in favor of Augusta Westland. And Gautam Khaitan, the other person who has been arrested, he was responsible for floating a maze of companies through which these bribes were moved to India and paid to Tyagi brothers.
Right. So in this case, there were a lot of names that had cropped up in the entire proceedings that took place in the Italian court. What do you think would be the next course of action for the CBI in this case?
Indeed. One, if there is a scam, then it cannot be done alone by just some certain IAF
Absolutely.
officers. So there has been speculation about politicians and bureaucrats having been involved. In the Italian court, in the recent proceedings in April, when two people of Finmeccanica, the parent company of Augusta Westland, were convicted, a document was presented where there were code words like AP, POL, BUR, FM, which were interpreted in the court as probably denoting Ahmed Patel, senior Congress leader, family, standing for the family of SP Tyagi,
Okay.
and then politicians and bureaucrats. And there were amounts mentioned against each of them. There were also discussions and documents which mentioned names such as Gandhi and Congress and other people. But at this moment, as far as investigations are concerned, these are just conjectures, because see, you have to establish a financial trail, you have to establish that these people actually received any kind of money.
Absolutely.
So that investigation is yet to be reached. That is why none of these people have even been questioned, because as yet the preliminary evidence also is not strong enough to suggest this, that these people may have received any money directly, and unless that is done, any action on this front as far as politicians or bureaucrats is concerned will not happen, although a lot of bureaucrats earlier have been questioned, which includes former National Security Advisor M.K. Narayanan, bureaucrats like B.V. Vanshu. A lot of bureaucrats have been questioned, but as yet no action has been taken against any politician or a bureaucrat.
Right. Thank you so much, Deepman, for getting us details on that first big arrest made by the CBI in connection with the Augusta Westland chopper deal. For more news and updates, log on to IndianExpress.com.